Well, in Gemini Nano Banana model, it was very challenging to control the aspect ratio of the picture. So it doesn't matter what prompt you're using, it doesn't matter how you phrase it, that model will still be creating a square picture. It is nearly impossible to get a vertical or horizontal picture. There is actually some solutions that I've covered on my channel and you can check it out. But in general, it is kind of clumsy and challenging to control aspect ratio using Gemini Nano Banana model. But it is no longer the case with Gemini Nano Banana Pro, because with this model, now controlling the aspect ratio is becoming a lot easier and more intuitive. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily control the aspect ratio of the picture. So you can create a square picture, horizontal or vertical, or anything between those three options. And there are actually different aspect ratios to choose from. So let me show you how you can control the aspect ratio using Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. Let's open gemini.google.com. And here, let's say I want to create that picture again of a man running with a giant banana on a beach. So let me just copy this section. And here I'm going to paste it. So right now in Gemini, when I'm recording this video, there is actually no buttons or menus that let you select the aspect ratio. However, you can specify that in the prompt. For example, here I want to use vertical pictures. So let me just use an instruction like, please use 9:16 aspect ratio. Something like that. So just describe it in your prompt. That should be enough. After that, click tools and enable create images and just send the message. So this behavior is actually quite similar to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has a model called GPT Image 1 generation, I believe, or GPT-4o image generation. And yeah, in that model, you can create a picture or select the aspect ratio in the prompt. So it is not a button, it is not a menu. Instead, you have to tell that in the prompting, which I think for some people is actually more intuitive. And there you go. So we got this picture of a man running with a giant banana on a beach. And of course, the picture is now in the vertical orientation, which is the dimension that I'm looking for. However, because of this new feature in Gemini, now we can easily do something like extending the picture. So I'm going to set another prompt. Please outpaint the picture to, let's say, 16:9 or square. Actually, this is horizontal. So let me just send the picture, I'll send the message, and you'll see that Gemini is actually able to do something like outpainting. So it will still maintain the same frame of this picture, but it will add other areas in the left and right side of the person. So that's basically extending or outpainting the picture. This is actually a feature that do exist in the previous model, but now with a final aspect ratio control, it is becoming a lot better. There you go. So this is a horizontal picture that was regenerated from a vertical picture. So yeah, that's essentially how you can easily control the aspect ratio of a picture using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.